Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Shashank. Today we will learn HTML5. What is HTML? HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to define the structure of a web page. Hypertext means display the text on the device screen. Markup means what you write in HTML displays on the browser. HTML is a interpreted language. Interpreted language means there is no compiler involved in the execution of a program. Means there is no errors shown while execution. Friends, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.